look at the best 2 deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube was the platform. Subscribes and likes. We did see some ladders there at the beginning of the video. We did see some ladders on sale. They got this bypass pruner for $9.98. And they got this weed eater trimmer kits, M18 for $1.99. That from $2.49. It does come with a 6 amp hour battery. We got a bunch of hitches here on sale. There's a 3-ball hook there, $58. So I'm not going to go over all these. There's just a whole wall section here of just towing accessories. A 4-pin connector. And then we got the inflators are still $12. There's a lot of inflators going around the Home Depots. A lot of them are getting sold out. $12, that's pretty good. We got some trailer lights, $37, $15, and $37. So pretty good deals on these. Definitely check out the clearance section of your depot. We got a 6500 watt generator for $10.99. And then you got a smaller one over here, is a 4000 watt for $8.99. I'm not very familiar with these, so let us know in the comment section how good are those. They're not really on sale. I'm just going over them because I hardly see them in stock at the depots. You got a Ryobi generator for $8.99. Here's an air tip accessory for the pack out vacuum or the portable vacuums. And then you got the Kills Original. Alright, so they got this vacuum down to $75 from $2.99. Make sure you guys pay attention to this vacuum. Make sure you guys don't pass this up, because this is a great vacuum for that price. So $169 from $199. This is the starter kit that was $199. You got the $175 down from $210. That's pretty good. Laser level. $379. This a framing nailer. And then you got an impact driver for $99. We got a rigid impact wrench, $79, down from $139. This is a 3/8 subcompact impact wrench, very powerful, Milwaukee DNA. You guys are in this battery platform. Well, here you go. These are the deals for you. You buy any of the tools, get a free starter kit. So those are all the tools on the bottom. You got some drills, hammer drills, oscillating tool, circular saws, one-hand reciprocating saws, full-size reciprocating saws. So any of those does qualify for a free starter kit. And the free starter kit does include a 4 and a 2, and a charger. $270 down from $299. This is the fuel 18-volt brushless combo kit. Does include oscillating tool and impact driver. $269 for the lithium-ion 12 volts. Was $299. That is the 3-tool combo kit. That was in the Milwaukee section, just below this. So they still got these deals. Make sure you guys stock up on these 12 amp hour batteries. This is the best deal as of now. You buy that 12 amp hour batteries, get a free 8 starter kit with an 8 amp hour battery. You guys return that 8, you guys get to keep them for around $170 something a piece. You got a 2-tool combo kit for looks like what is that, $229 down from $269. It is a hammer drill. Got a drill driver there for $99, and then a hammer drill kit for $199. You got a drill driver kit and impact driver for $149, and then you got a reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, 4-tool combo kit there. And then same thing with this. You get 2 free batteries with the purchase of one of those. It just depends. This is actually the older deal. This is actually getting phased out pretty soon, and then the newer one's getting. You got a drill, DeWalt atomic drill for $99, down from $159. Not bad at all. Great little. And you got a drywall cutout tool, down to $80 from $159. That's a pretty good deal there. Then you got the 5 amp hour 2-pack for $199. So that's it right there. You got $149. You buy any of these and get a free starter kit. I would definitely go with the ratchet, the drywall screw gun. The impact driver is pretty good. The drywall cutout tool. The drill, hammer drill, and then the impact wrench, 3/8 impact wrench. And you do get a power stack, a 1.7 amp hour battery, and a charger. You got 5 power stacks there for $2.99. And those are all the tools that qualify for the buy one get one free. It's pretty good deals. All right, and here's the Flex Bolts Advantage tools. That is a reciprocating saw. These are all Flex Bolt tools, as I said. $179. That's with the 6 amp hour battery and a rapid charger. And that is it right there. $179 was $239 according to what it says right there. Pretty good. Well, these are actually not as good as I thought we were gonna see, but you know, if you guys need them, might as well get them. They're on sale. All right, you got some clamps there. They're at the bottom, so some DeWalt clamps. You got some framing saw blades. That's a 7 1/4 24 tooth. These are great blades, guys. Definitely check these out. $9.97 for the hex key sets. So any of those, they do come in different sizes or different shapes. That's SAE. Pretty good quality on that. $29.97 for the 7-piece ratcheting combination wrench set. That is not a bad deal there. That's a nice deal for some ratcheting wrenches. So definitely check it out. It's only 7, I know, yeah, but still, for that price, it's still pretty good. All right, so $49 down for $99. This is 18-gauge brad nailer. Pneumatic. Does come with a nice case. $90 down from $99. Impact driver with the 3 amp hour battery. It's already sold out, so you guys do see. You got some Diablo blades. This is a reciprocating saw blades. $14.97. Does come with a nice case. And you got some pruning blades as well. You got the 270-piece 3-drawer mechanics tool set, $99. That's actually a pretty dang good deal. It does include a lot of tools in there. You got 3 ratchets. You got some deep sockets, a lot of shallow sockets, some L wrenches. Those are the 3 drawers, lifetime warranty. So $695 value according to what it says there. Got a whole bunch of bits, 44 6-point sockets, some extensions. You got a build out 12-inch waterproof bin, and then you got some sort of accessory to hang up on the hooks or something. That's it right there. Accessory hooks, yeah, that's what it is. And then you got a knee pad. Definitely check this one out, guys. Save your knees anytime you guys doing plumbing, or I always like it when when I'm doing under sink areas, where you're gonna have that, you have to lay down to look up into the sink. Well, that board is always gonna get on your back. Well, that's a nice place to put that in there and just make it comfortable. You got a 10-piece combination wrench set. This is very inexpensive, great for a spare tool bag. $279 for the chainsaw. This is the DeWalt chainsaw with the 5 amp hour battery. $19.97 for the 21-piece black and gold. $129 for the drill driver, atomic hammer drill. It's not a drill driver, it's a hammer drill. Buy one get one free. You got the brushless 23-gauge pin nailer for $249. Get a free power stack kit. This is a killer deal. This is hackable, guys. Run down and get it, because that's actually a pretty dang good deal. Alright, so you got the same thing with these. Buy one get one free. That's just the other side. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like up on the other side. $59.97 for this vacuum. Guys, that's it. Just a short video. This was a very small store. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.